was a fun story internally. A small team said, hey, we have this really great idea. We can use LLMs to create a new anti-phish model. And they sort of said, sure, do that. And they did. We tested it with data, stale data, basically in the shadow environment. It was 10 times better than the actual model in production. And we said, great, let's release it into production. They had no plan yet how to retrain it because LLMs, expensive, blah, blah, blah. We put it in production, and it failed within an hour. Because the bad actors are basically catching on, and they're adjusting their behavior, and then whatever that model learned, to your point, was worthless at that point in time.
Quickly, yeah. All right, just to switch gears a little bit. It was mentioned in a panel earlier today, or a discussion earlier today, about Microsoft's upcoming changes to enforcement with lines of DMARC, much like Yahoo and Google did last year. Are we expecting similar things from Orange and Seznam?
Yeah, of course. Actually, and I believe we have to follow what they do, and so enforcing authentication and we even following the requirements of Google and Yahoo on that regards, and we're communicating on this as well. So yeah, it's the goal, and we are right behind. They paved the road for us, so we'll have problems, and then
everyone's kind of done the heavy lifting up front, so yes. It's going to be, now it's just turning it on your end, right? Yeah. Have you seen the benefit of it already changing, though, since last February, sort of, as progressively?
Since even last year, of course, and we did the same end of last year. We are like 6 months, a little bit more behind, and it's helped a lot, but of course, as usual, the people we're facing, they're adapting, but we still have less abuse or basic abuse without authentication. So this has almost disappeared. That's a very good point.
Google and Yahoo did great work with this because thanks to them, we had no problems with the adoption in Czech Republic. So we didn't put much effort to explain to the market what is necessary to set. So thanks to them. Now we can see the adoption almost 90% of the senders, of course. So we are definitely in, and if there will be the policy from none to quarantine, at least will be better.
And we wait them to start, and we'll follow.